Hello guys, this is Vamsi. Today's our topic is dice app roller. Previous videos we have seen that XML form and main activities codes, how it runs and how the code is execution for dice app. Uh, in this video we can look at it, the theoretical part related dice roller and what's the theory and what's the advantages, um, tools and technologies we have used. Uh, let's continue. Project title: Dice Roller app built with the Kotlin Jetpack Compose Android Studio. Developer see our professor is Dr. Victor Govindaswamy, Concordia University, Chicago. Introduction: a straightforward smartphone app that is mix rolling dice, produce arbitrary numbers ranging from 1 to 6, dynamically displays the corresponding dice image, offers an interactive button for dice rolling, UI state management is demonstrated, aids in comprehending Cloulton random numbers or generation. Entertaining, interesting, and introspective. Tools and technologies into Android Studio in all-in-one development and environment for Android. Colton is a safe, modern, and sensitive programming language. The Jetpack Compose, the UI framework suggested by Google. AVD Emulator, hardware-free testing using a virtual phone. Built-in automation system gradually. Drawable resources files. Keep dice pictures. Design of materials components for contemporary UI design. Why Kotlin? The official programming language for Android. Fewer lines of code and more condensed than Java. Now safety prevents frequent runtime errors. Robust support for features of functional programming, easily compatible with Java libraries. Google and JetBrains actively maintain it. It works flawlessly with the Jetpack. Create an architecture. Why Jetpack Compose? Less boilerplate code and modern declarative users interface. Creates content code in place of XML layouts, real-time previewing for quicker user interface design, UI that reacts the change in state, integrated authority of material design principles. Yep, workflow. The user presses the roll dice button. Kotlin creates a random numbers between 1 to 6. The dice image instantly changes to reflect the new value. UI automatically re-renders using write. The user does not need to manually refresh to see the correct dice face. Each time a button is pressed, the process is related. Core code features. The dice roll state is managed by mutable state of close brackets. Recall open close flower brackets. Preserve state throughout the recomposition. Arbitrary text int produces a random value for the dice. When expression contains the image resources to the dice number, the dice faces displayed by the image composable button starts the dice roll. Texting on emulator. Android virtual device AVD was used to display the text app. The emulator means is authorization. Android environment testing doesn't require a physical phone. Virtual tested a variety of gadgets and screen sizes. Conclusion and future scope. Learned practical use of Kotlin plus Jetpack Compose. Gained expensive with the state management in Compose. Understood random numbers, logic and UI updates. Future improvements. Add two dice or multiple dice rolls. Flow custom size. Enhance UI with themes and dark mode. Thank you guys.